Okay, so we're going to just do a little adding and subtracting like terms. This really is an interesting concept, but the basic understanding of it is pretty simple. So we're gonna take a look at this, and we have two groups of kids, and in our groups of kids, we're gonna say the blue kids are the boys, the red kids are the girls. So in this case, we have 4 boys and we have 2 girls. Girls. This way we have 2 boys and 4 girls. And idea is that how many would we have if we combined both groups together? Well, we wouldn't combine the girls with the boys. We would do the 4 boys with the 2 boys, which would give me 6 boys. And then we would have the 2 girls plus the 4 girls, which would give me 6 girls again. Now, write this as an expression, we would probably put a plus in between those, saying that they're kind of the groups are together in one whole group. So like this one, we have 3 different groups. We're gonna have cats, dogs, and birds. So we have 4 cats. We have 1 bird, and typically you don't write 1, you just put the B, and then we have 4 dogs. This one we have, let's write a little bit differently. This one we have 4 birds. We have 3 cats, and we have 2 dogs. This one we have 1 cat. So again, we don't write that 1 there. It kind of looks silly when we're writing it, but we just leave it as a C. 2 birds and 3 dogs. And so when we combine all these groups together, what is our total group? When we go through, okay, we'll have 4 cats plus 3 cats plus 1 cat gives me 8 cats. 1 bird plus 2 birds give me 3, plus 4 birds gives me 7. Now I'm going to write it in alphabetical order, right? B comes before C. And then 4 dogs plus 3 dogs, which is 7, plus 2, which is 9 dogs. It's just by coincidence we're making this up. B, C, D, and 7, 8, 9. But B, when we're doing variables or letters, we do in alphabetical order. Now, what happens if we want to say we have 3 cats, so let's write in order. 4 birds plus 3 cats plus 2 dogs. And we want to take away, we're going to say we want to subtract, let's just say we're going to subtract 1 of each. We're subtracting B. Now, when you have this, you typically would distribute, and it would give you 4B plus 3C plus 2D minus B minus C minus D. So 4B, and I'm subtracting 1. So I have 4 birds, and I'm getting rid of 1. 3 cats, I'm getting rid of 1 of those. 2 dogs, and I'm getting rid of 1 of those. So how many do I have left? Well, in this case, I have 3 birds, 2 cats, and 1 dog. I can only combine what is similar to each other. Now let's just do some algebraic expressions, combining like terms. Well, 1 doesn't have any variables with it, so we're looking at what else has. Oh, well, minus 4. Well, what is 1 minus 4? That gives me a minus 3. I have an 8x plus a 1x. That would give me 9 x's. Now in this one I have negative 2n plus 10n. So what's interesting, if we remember from our number line, right? I can make a number line of n's. Make the 0, negative 1, negative 2. All right, so we start off at negative 2 n's, and we have to add 10. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 8. So this means we have 8 n's. Remember, we can also write this as 10n minus 2n, if that helps. Again, we're only combining like terms. Well, x, there is no other x, so that's just there. Negative 9 plus 8, or we can say 8 minus 9, which is minus 1. Now, what we do with parentheses, we want to distribute and get rid of our parentheses. 7, so we say 8 times 2, which is 16. 8 times a minus r, so minus 8r. Add 7 and 16 gives me 23 minus 8r. So, right, so this one's, again, we're going to get rid of our parentheses. We're going to multiply those. That's going to give us 40a plus 64 plus 5a minus 25. Again, we go through, what has an a? We got 40a plus 5a, which gives me 45a. And then we have the 64 that doesn't have anything together with it. We have a minus 25. That's going to give us a minus 39. All right, so here's a nice big one. When we have one like this, we typically, so let's say x. So I'm going to, everyone that has just an x, I'm going to underline. So 3x plus 4x is 7x, minus x is 6x. I'm going to double underline my y's. 2y minus y, which just gives me 1, plus 3y. And then my z, I'll do a circle. Z plus 3z, which is 4z, minus 2, so 4 minus 2 is 2, and so we have z, 2z. Very big. Now, as I'm doing harder and harder stuff, we're going to have squares, we're going to have cubes, we're going to have xy's, xyz's. Noting them somehow to make sure that we get all of them together makes it very easy, and it also makes sure that we don't miss anything. Right, so that's it. That's a very basic adding and subtracting like terms. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'll post a little assignment that you can work on.